Hello from Ambitious Amateurs. Today we are tackling some more chainsaw projects just down in town. We've got all of these massive trees up here that are a major risk to the two houses that my parents own. They got a quote for $3,000 to start just to trim these. So we figured, you know, why not spend $1,000 on a boom lift and do it ourselves? So we're gonna cut some wood. So these trees here, they are mulberry, maybe some cottonwood, some ash in here, something like that. We're gonna have some technical moves though. We've got this fence line right here. We don't wanna drop anything on that fence line. The other thing, got my parents, what do you call these? Trailer, mobile home? I don't even know what they are. Definitely don't wanna take that out. Not to mention the house back there. Definitely don't wanna take that out. We're gonna be up in the tip top of the trees, really working some strategic moves to make sure none of these big chunks fall down and break anything. Otherwise, our Save $2,000 project is gonna be a whole lot more expensive. Okay, we're up in the boom. It's Quaid being our technician. So, you gotta get rid of these limbs there. We got the wires and the house. I actually don't know what those wires are to, but we'd rather not hit the wires. So, what we have to do is lob this off in small sections and then basically just hand toss it in small pieces that are manageable. Most of the people you're seeing out here helping with the cleanup and the trimming and the chipping is family. And we got Juan from the ranch. He came out to help out too. This equipment here, 45-foot straight arm boom lift. Pretty awesome. The old trusty John Deere tractor, I believe from the 70s or 80s. Still going strong. We got a wood chipper working in on the back of there. All the machinery, except for the boom lift, ranch owned, ranch funded, so that's nice. We moved over towards the main house, and over here we're going to be taking out the big trees that overhang the cars. Probably gonna chop them straight up in half. Yeah, so as you can tell, it looks horrendous, and we're gonna clear out a whole bunch of that stuff. I'm going to be in the boom lift most of the time. Hopefully I can get some good footage still. But if not, I'll just show you what it looks like at the end. so that was quite a bit of effort up there in the boom lift. Lots of moves, lots of technical stuff. We bent the fence in one place, which wasn't great, but apart from that one place, everything worked out awesome. Okay, check this out. This is what we just did. Yeah, we had that boom lift extended 45 feet for the most part to get up there, and honestly, we were easily 20 feet short still. Luckily, we didn't have to get all the way to the top. So we're probably gonna call it quits for tonight. Tomorrow we'll come back and attack the section over the trailer here, the camper trailer, and make that look good. Day 2. And the drone just went down. Okay, so the drone did not die. We're doing good. It's back up in the air. All is fine. A little bit bent propeller, but other than that, looking great. We're gonna attack this today, back in the boom lift, chopping mostly these big branches, keeping them out of the way of the trailer and everything. And then we'll just keep chopping, lobbing, and chipping until this whole place is cleaned back up and back to new. I just got off the boom lift. We only hit the fence in one place. So, yeah, it's a little bit munched. That is what came down. All things considered, it looks pretty good still. That's a wrap for all of the difficult stuff here. Honestly, it's sad that it doesn't really look much different at all. It's still trees. But we're calling it quits for the boom lift. We still got the John Deere tractor and the chipper going. We've got 3 chainsaws going, cutting limbs, logging them out. And honestly, everything looks good. All of the hazardous limbs are now gone. I don't have any idea of what to do when it comes to trimming trees or being an arborist. Is that the word? But long story short, I think we did a pretty good job. Everything went to plan, no injuries, no casualties. It's another successful day.